trays. Under one is gonna have the fidget, and under the other one is gonna be the real deal. And whoever gets the most fidgets keeps all the fidgets. I know I'm gonna win this, obviously. Everybody knows that. Like, even you guys watching, you guys know that. And Cilla knows that. So before we peek into the challenge, we'll only give you 3 seconds to smash that star button and make it rain with likes. 3, 2, 1, 0. Did you do it? And also remember to check out our other 3 channels. Our Jkrew gaming channel, our Cilla and Maddy channel, Jkrew Shorts channel. Also go check out Beanie and Jaden's channel. So let's get started. Yeah. Round 1. And I'm gonna be choosing. No, you aren't. We're doing rock, paper, scissors. Okay, so I'm gonna see if I want to switch. Paper, scissors, shoot! Hey! This way. You can't do that. 3, 2, 1. That's what you get for not doing rock, paper, scissors. Oh, gee. I'm gonna take the biggest bite ever. You know I love burgers. Burger fidget. I know I basically won on this round, but still I like real burgers better. And Maddy got all her slobber on it and she could have shared it with me. Well, now I don't want it. Well, this is better than that, so hey. That's fair. We didn't ask you if you wanted the rest, you said no. Because I was gonna be nice and give it the rest to you. So it's round 2 and it's my turns and I want to swap. 3, 2, 1. That's so big. Oh my god. It's a squishmallow. It's a squishmallow. I got a baby Yoda squishmallow and Maddy got a baby Yoda poppet. So that means I have 1 point. Well, this one's actually really good. I'm gonna take out a squishmallow. Are you jealous or what? No. Okay, so it's round 3 and Priscilla's turn. I think I'm going to switch. Okay, I'm gonna open first. 3, 2, 1. What? Oh my god! Pop it in a bag? What could be real? Ooh. An apple poppet. Oh my gosh! I love these colors. AirPods! Apple AirPods! I thought she was gonna get an apple, like an actual apple. This is so good. I love this poppet. It's so soft. Maddy, your poppet might sound good, but these AirPods sound way better. No. Good for you. You look happy and healthy. Not me, if you ever can. Round 4, and it's my turn. I kind of want to keep. 3, 2, 1. Yeah! Oh, this is so pretty. You're kidding me. If you guys didn't know, Priscilla hates apples. I don't hate apples, but they're not my favorite fruit. Oh my gosh, this is so good. Even the front side is really soft and nice. Cute. It's apple. I only have 1 poppet. I have 3 poppets. Round 5. So it's your turn. Keep or switch. Switch. That one's heavy. 3, 2, 1. Among Us? You have an Among Us fidget, that's why. Oh my gosh, I love this simple dimple. Play Among Us, I guess. I only have 1 fidget, it's not fair. I now have 4 fidgets. Well, since I have a phone right here, I guess I'm just gonna order some fidgets from Amazon. What? And then I can win. No? Let's see if I get a imposter. You got it! You got an imposter! Okay, I need to play this round real quick. Hello? I'm not. Bruh, watch everyone together.
5 minutes later.
Okay, so it's round 6 and it's my turn. I want to hurry up. Switch. 3, 2, 1. Daddy's shirt. I got Liam's shirt, his unspeakable merch. It doesn't even fit you. You're sticking out. It's like you got some armpit hair. This Poppet's kind of good. It's not the best, but it's really good. Right now, I'm in the lead with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fidgets. Round 7, and it's my turn. My turn. Oh, wait, no, your turn. Yeah. Okay, I think I'm going to switch. 3, 2, 1. Finally got a fidget. Oh, I don't like these. Oh, wait. I got a little piece in the pod, and Maddie got a piece in a pod too. I'm gonna try to do a fidget. Never mind. How do I do this? Oh, there you go. Just break it. Look it. So why are there little peas? So tiny and cute. This isn't good. Ew. Okay, I'm gonna try it. It's not even mine, and I'm eating it. Let's see, do they look the same? No. Oh my gosh, it's bouncy. Let's pop up the piece in the pod. Oh, it's bouncy. Look, it's bouncy. Well, now I finally have another fidget. So I have 2 fidgets, but I don't think I'll be able to beat Maddie because she has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is like an edible fidget. Watch. So it's round 8, and it's my turn. I'm gonna switch or keep. I want to keep. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Yes! I got a Poppet. Look at the size. Why did I get a big swirly one? Aww. Okay, I got a lollipop. Usually I'm happy when I get lollipops, but now I'm probably most likely gonna lose this challenge because Maddie got another fidget. This Poppet's like kind of like, it feels weird. It's like paper. Round 9, and it's Priscilla's turn. Okay, I only have 2 fidgets right now, so I'm trying to get through one at least. All right, I think I'm gonna keep. I have 5 fidgets. Wow. I got a fidget! Oh my god, but that's so cute. Where's the tiny? Where's the syrup? I don't know. Oh my gosh, look at how cute these look. Maddie, you looked it. They look pretty cute, and they look kind of good. There's no syrup. It's plain. But I got a little pancake squishy and it's so cute. Final round, and it's my turn. I already know I'm gonna lose. I want to swap. Let's get something good. 3, 2, 1. Maddie got a textured dinosaur monkey noodle, and I think I know what I got. Another squishmallow! I got a cute little dinosaur squishmallow. His name is Ben. It's so cute. I got this dinosaur textured monkey noodle. This is better. Priscilla, that might be cute, but I won the challenge, and now it's mine. Everything's mine. Everything's mine. What do you mean? What? No! Bye! So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you check out all of our social media to see more content.